It's summer. It's summer. It's June. It's summer, it's June, and we are ready for some no stress. So, we've got a no stress diffuser blend that we're going to show you how to make today. For this recipe, you will need 1 drop of cardamom essential oil, 3 drops of lavender essential oil, and 1 drop of timber. So you can go ahead and put these in the diffuser. If you want to learn how to make cool blends like this one, check out our Essential Oil Hero course. It's free to subscribers who will get all of these oils this month, and you'll learn how to make blends just like this one.
All right, should we give this a try? That's pretty nice.
Ready for a stress-free day with this blend.
This could also be really awesome for kids when they go back to college or school.
Oh yeah. Yeah, cardamom is especially good at helping you focus. And let's go ahead and label it as well.
Okay.
Subscribers get these uber adorable labels right in their box. You like the way this blend smells?
I do.
Alright, then let's make a master blend of it.
Awesome, let's do it.
To make a master blend of this, we are going to use 60 drops of lavender, 20 drops of timber, and 20 drops of cardamom. Now we have no stress to go, and this also makes a fun gift for someone as well.
Nice.
For more great recipes like this one, check out our recipe box at simplyearth.com/box, where we'll send you 4 full-size essential oils, plus 6 recipes just like this one, and extras you need to make the recipes.
Another great resource that you can use is to head over to our website and then click on the recipes and articles link. There you will find a bunch of blog posts with different recipes and articles, and you can make so many fun recipes just like this one at home.
Yeah. Making your home toxin-free, one recipe at a time. Thanks for watching.
See ya!